Here's a swift journey through Taylor's melodic saga. Dive into her life, love, and legacy. The video kicks off with a thrilling montage of Taylor Swift's most iconic moments from her music videos. Each clip transitions smoothly, capturing the essence of her dynamic presence and artistic evolution over the years. We then travel back in time to explore Taylor's roots, with childhood photos and nostalgic scenes from her quaint hometown. These images paint a picture of her early life, filled with raw talent and big dreams. The narrative advances to the pivotal release of Tim McGraw, marking Taylor's entry into the music world. This breakthrough is depicted as a defining moment, where her unique voice and storytelling began capturing hearts. Transitioning smoothly, the focus shifts to Taylor's genre-spanning journey from country darling to pop superstar. Album covers flash across the screen, symbolizing her transformation and growing influence in the music industry. To deepen the understanding of her impact, the video features interviews with prominent music critics. Their insights delve into how Taylor reshaped the music landscape, highlighting her innovative approach and enduring popularity. Taylor Swift's songwriting process is a window into her soul. She often starts with a melody or a specific lyric, crafting her emotions into verses that resonate deeply with her audience. This has led to her rise in fame. Her breakthrough moment came with the release of Tim McGraw. This song not only introduced her to the world, but also set the tone for a career that would often blend nostalgic storytelling with country roots. Transitioning from country to pop, Taylor Swift didn't just change genres, she revolutionized her image and sound. Albums like 1989 and Reputation showcased this dramatic shift, marking her as a versatile and adaptive artist. Taylor's live performances are as memorable as her songs. From sold-out stadiums to intimate acoustic sets, she connects with fans through energetic displays and heartfelt interactions that highlight her evolution as a performer. Her relationship with her fans goes beyond typical artist-audience interactions. Through meet and greets and social media, Taylor has built a community, fostering a deep bond with her audience that has become a hallmark of her career. Ultimately, this has led to a dramatically loyal fan base. Taylor Swift has expertly harnessed the power of social media to forge a deep connection with her fans. Through platforms like Instagram and Twitter, she shares personal updates, teases new music, and interacts directly with her audience, turning casual listeners into staunch advocates for her brand. As a beacon of feminist strength, Taylor Swift's voice transcends music, inspiring women and girls worldwide. Her lyrics often promote empowerment and self-worth, making her not just a pop icon, but a pivotal figure in the feminist movement. Her advocacy for artists' rights has reshaped industry standards. Swift's public battles for control over her music catalog have highlighted the importance of copyright and artist ownership, encouraging young musicians to be more business-savvy. Swift's songwriting sessions are a window into her soul, revealing the intricate process behind her hit songs. She often shares behind-the-scenes glimpses into her craft, discussing the personal experiences that inspire her lyrics, which resonate deeply with her audience. Taylor's impact on the fashion industry is unmistakable. Known for her distinct style phases that align with her musical eras, she influences trends and inspires fans to emulate her looks, further solidifying her status as a style icon. Taylor Swift's collaborations with other major artists have not only amplified her impact on the music scene, but also showcased her versatility. From duets with Ed Sheeran to tracks with Kendrick Lamar, each partnership melds distinct styles, resulting in hits that resonate across diverse audiences. In recent years, Swift has continued to innovate, keeping her music fresh and relevant. Her ability to adapt and evolve has ensured her a spot at the forefront of the industry, with each album release eagerly anticipated by fans and critics alike. Examining her latest album, we see themes of love, introspection, and resilience, which have struck a chord with a wide audience. The album's reception has been overwhelmingly positive, reaffirming her status as a pop powerhouse. Taylor Swift's personal life, especially her relationships, often garners significant attention. However, she manages to handle this scrutiny with grace, focusing on the positive aspects of her life and sharing her happiness with her fans. As a mentor, Taylor invests in the future of music by guiding emerging artists. Her involvement in their development not only helps nurture new talent, but also ensures the continued vibrancy and relevance of the music industry, thus making her a huge partner in music education advocacy. Taylor Swift is not just a musical powerhouse, but also a shrewd businesswoman. Her strategic management of her brand and intellectual property rights, especially her masterful re-recording of older albums, showcases her savvy approach to the music industry. Fan testimonials often highlight how Taylor's music serves as a soundtrack to their lives. Her songs resonate deeply, providing comfort and inspiration. These personal stories from fans across the globe underscore her profound impact on individual lives. Controversy has never been far from Taylor Swift, from public feuds to legal battles over her music. Yet, she handles each situation with a poise that turns potential setbacks into opportunities for public support and professional growth. In recent years, Taylor Swift has accumulated numerous awards, underscoring her continued relevance and excellence in music. From Grammys to Emmys, each accolade reaffirms her status as a leading figure in the entertainment industry. Beyond her music, Taylor uses her platform to engage with political and social issues, advocating for voting rights and LGBTQ+ equality. Her influence extends beyond entertainment, shaping public discourse and encouraging her fans to take action. Taylor Swift's viral moments have become a cultural phenomenon, from her surprise face at award shows to spontaneous dance moves at concerts. These snippets not only entertain but also endear her to fans across the globe. Upcoming projects from Taylor Swift always stir a buzz of anticipation. Fans eagerly await new music, tours, and collaborations. Her ability to evolve musically while staying true to her roots keeps the excitement alive. Taylor Swift's journey from a young singer-songwriter to a global pop icon is nothing short of inspirational. Her evolution through various musical phases showcases her versatility and commitment to her craft, resonating with millions worldwide. Subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for more inspiring musical stories. With this call to action, viewers are invited to delve deeper into the world of music. It's a gateway to explore the journeys of other influential artists like Swift. The video closes with an energetic montage of Taylor Swift dancing and singing, symbolizing her dynamic presence in the music industry. This vibrant ending invites viewers to join the lively and passionate Swiftie community,